Hi there. So today we're going to walk through a complete home remodel. So as I started talking to the clients about their goals, they wanted the complete front of the house to be reworked. So on the front, everything is going to be painted. We're going to have some landscaping reworked completely around the front. This brick pathway that we see here is going to be demoed completely, and it's going to be now a new broom finished concrete walkway. And then as we walk through the front, all of the windows will be replaced. The front door will be brand new, so everything is going to be demoed on the front. And then as we walk through the kitchen, one of the factors that was important to the client was to keep as much of the original cabinetry as possible to keep the cost down. So while the existing cabinetry is going to stay, we're going to paint everything that's here. We're going to remove all of the existing countertops, all of the backsplash, all of the flooring, all of the windows. We're also going to remove this one hood cabinet to create more of an open feel here. So with the stairs, very traditional style, and they wanted to modernize it. So one of the things that we're going to do is not only remove the existing balusters and posts, but we're also going to create a flat bottom step instead of the curve that it has now. So that is one way to do a very simple update at not too much cost to modernize the feel. Here, as we're standing in the living room, we're going to change the whole feel. So that's going to include changing the feel of the fireplace. So the stone components are going to be removed. And then we're going to modify this so that the client can fit one of her wish list items, which was an 85-inch TV. Also, we're going to introduce some transitional texture elements. So along this wall, floor to ceiling, around all of the windows, we're going to introduce some shiplap, which is a very popular material right now. In here, we currently have carpet. Again, a way to modernize it will be to continue the new flooring that we're going to introduce in the complete house, which is going to be a luxury vinyl plank flooring. Typically, somebody hears the word vinyl and their first reaction is, oh, no, because it is a dated material. But recently, they've really upgraded that material. I've been remodeling for 20 years, and it's actually hard for me to tell when I walk into a home if it's real wood or luxury vinyl plank flooring. So here in the master bedroom, one of the important things for them was to add texture along this back wall. So we're going to continue the shiplap theme just on this back accent wall. Now, one of the areas where they were very hesitant on losing was the fireplace. So to them, it felt like a very expensive thing to remove. So I talked them through on what a difference it's going to make, and that with all of the demo that we have going on in the rest of the house, this particular portion was minimal. We're going to remove all of the window treatments, and we're also going to lower this horizontal line on all of the new windows to take advantage of the view. In the master bathroom, again, it's a very traditional feel right now. So one way that we are going to modernize the feel is by removing all of the interior doors, including the entry doors, painting the existing cabinets, changing the countertop, and then introducing a tile backsplash. That alone will modernize the overall feel of the bathroom. This bathtub is very traditional and dates the bathroom. We ended up doing a freestanding tub to modernize the space. Originally, we were going to keep the recessed lighting that's close against the wall, but we felt like we needed to brighten it up a bit in here. So by moving the recessed lighting, centering it into the room, and then adding decorative lights above the mirror, that would help the overall ambience of the room and brighten it up. With my particular clients here, the laundry room is a major traffic flow area. So since this room is used often, they wanted to freshen up the feel. So we're going to get rid of the tile floor and continue the luxury vinyl plank flooring in here. Now, one fun thing that we're going to be doing in here is we're going to be doing a tile backsplash floor to ceiling as a way to add some character and texture into the room. So that's a cost-effective way to really freshen up the space. And then we are going to paint the cabinets, new countertop, new sinks, new faucets, and then we're also going to replace the exterior door. As we go into the attic space, this is a very popular space where a lot of people want to take advantage of the additional square footage. So in here, we have 3 big HVAC units that need to be relocated. We're gonna work with the existing roof line, but we're gonna go ahead and reframe everything to not only meet code, but also maximize every inch in the space. So this attic is gonna be converted into a large exercise room.